Ever wondered why some people break out of poverty while others stay stuck? It's not luck, it's not education. It's the mindset rich people use that 97% never learn. Welcome to Money Source, where smart investors learn before they earn. Today we're unlocking 7 mindset secrets rich people know and others don't. If you want to change your bank account, start by changing the way you think about money. Secret number 1, money works for them. Middle class, I work for money. Rich, my money works for me. They invest every dollar with a job, stocks, real estate, online income, business. Secret number 2, they see opportunities, not obstacles. Poor mindset, too risky. Rich mindset, how can I make this work? Economy crashes, they buy. Recessions create millionaires. Secret number 3, they buy assets, not impress people. Poor, new iPhone, new car, flex lifestyle. Rich, rental property, stocks, business. Every dollar either makes you poorer or richer. Secret number 4, they learn what schools don't teach: financial education. College degrees? They study investing, taxes, cash flow, building systems. Secret number 5, they protect their time. They outsource tasks, focus only on high-value skills. Time is more valuable than money. Secret number 6, they surround themselves with winners. Your network equals your net worth. Rich people sit with people who talk about opportunities, not other people. Secret number 7, they take smart risks. They know playing safe is the biggest risk. They never wait for the perfect moment. They create it. You don't need to be born rich. You need to think rich. Adopt these 7 money secrets. Your future self will thank you. Like the video, subscribe to Money Source, comment below. Which mindset will you start today? Stay smart and stay invested in knowledge. This is Money Source.